Let's take a closer look at the SkyWatcher Explorer EQ-2 telescope. This is a really nice telescope. It comes with a full height tripod, aluminium tripod, but I'm impressed over the sturdiness of this equipment. All the way from the tripod itself, the accessory tray that is made out of metal plate instead of plastics. Very nice accessory tray, big one where you can keep all your equipment during the observing session, and this is a really nice feature that I really like. When I'm out under the night sky, I want to have some place where I can put some equipment and have it close to hand when I do the observing. All the way up to the mount itself, really well built, really well think before they produced it, and yes, I'm impressed all the way from top to bottom of this telescope. Very easy to operate this telescope. You have the two different knobs here to adjust the telescope in both axes. You can easily unlock to manually move the telescope in both axes as well. And the telescope is very easy to balance. You can adjust this counterbalance on the rod here, and the balancing of the telescope is very, very nice, I would say. On top we have the OTA, the optical tube assembly, fitted onto the mount with two telescope rings, mounting rings, and on top of the one of them you have this threaded rod, and this thread is to actually mount your camera to take pictures. And this is really nice feature. It makes it very easy if you are into astrophotography. And when we talk about that, on the other side here, I don't turn the tripod around right now, but on the other side, the mount is prepared with a gear, so you can put on a tracking motor. And this makes it very, very easy when you are out observing and you want to do astrophotography and you want to track the object that you have locked the telescope on, then this motor will help you a lot. It's not the telescope doesn't come be included with a motor. This is an accessory that you need to buy separately, but easy to find, easy to install and mount on your telescope. So very, very nice. The optical tube itself is contains a 130 millimeter mirror and has a focal length of 650 millimeter. Very good quality again, and on the side, let me turn it around, you have the focuser and you have the red dot finder. It's very easy to find the objects under the night sky through the red dot finder and then look into the eyepiece. So yes, just to summarize it, a very nice telescope. I really recommend it for you as a beginner, but one thing that I want to mention, this type of mount, the EQ-2 mount, can be a little bit tricky for you as a beginner. It takes some time to understand the movements of the telescope in both axes on how to lock it on an object in the sky, and then how to track the object. So don't lose your patience too early. Give it some time, do some readings, understand the manual before you go out and observe under the night sky. Since this mount is a little bit trickier, It's a good mount, it's a better mount than a fork mounted telescope, I would say, because here you have more precise movements of the telescope and you can fine tune it much easier than if you have a fork mount where you move the telescope just left and right, up and down. It can be trickier. Very, very small movements in that type of mount can easily move your telescope too much and you lose the object in your eyepiece. But with this type of mount, it's much, much easier to make small adjustments, movements, to center the object in the eyepiece again, and to not lose the object too far away from your alignment. So yes, I hope you found this video helpful, interesting, and maybe helpful for you to choose your next telescope. So thank you so much for watching this video, and see you in the next video, and hope you will have some really nice observing sessions under the night sky. See you. Thank you. Bye.